Hi everyone, today we are going to see how to create ECS instance and how we can deploy in ECS instance. So first of all, ECS instance means we are deploying it in a physical just like a physical server, but it is in virtual. We need to choose a specification based on our application needs. Let's start. For that, you need to go to console. Go to Elastic Compute Service. So if it not present here, you can search, or you can take it from here as well. You can see every products here. First we need to create an instance. So we have three billing methods. First is subscription, pay as you go, and preemptible instances. Preemptible instances, it will be only available for 24 hours, then it will be released automatically. So in pay as you go, you can pay how much you are using. It is hourly basis. So I'm going to use pay as you go, so you can check the total here. In subscription means you can use for a month or 2 months or 3 months, more than that. So now the price changed to 0.108. So region I am choosing India, Mumbai, zone A. So here you can select our instant type. You can choose based on our application needs. So for me, its general purpose type is completely fine. Here you need to choose the OS image, where a lot of images will be available. I will go for Alibaba Cloud Linux, and you need to select the version. Next is the networking portion. First you need to choose the VPC for our zone. So I have already created the VPC. So if you are new, you just go to this console and create the VPC. You need to enable the public IP address because we are going to deploy application and we need to see in public. Here you need to choose port 80 and port 443. I will mention this using later. Here you need to configure system properties. So whenever you are going to log into the server, you need a password. So you need to set up password here. That's all we can create now. It will take only 2 minutes to create. So now the status is in starting status. When it become running status, our instance is ready to connect. So this is our public IP address and this is our private IP address. So here in the menu section we have lot of sub menus. So these are the menus we have seen while creation. So our instance is very quick and it is ready. So let's connect. So in connection you need to select public because we are going to live our project. Here we need to give the password which we created while creating the instance. So now we have entered into the server. So now you can, once again I will check whether I am the user. Yes. Now we need to update every packages in the Alibaba Linux OS. This is not mandatory, but if you need, you can do it. Everything will be automatically updated each and every time. So next, after completing this, you need to install httpd. So this is the exact process for all the virtual server like Compute Engine or EC2 from Amazon or in Azure. The same procedure, if you follow the same procedure, you can able to deploy your application in there also. If you have any doubt, please post it in the comment section. So next we need to install httpd. Okay. Then we need to check the status of installed system. So now it is in inactive status. Once we uploaded our files and we can make it enabled. So now we need to make a directory mkdir. I will do temp. We need to go inside our directory folder. So next what we are doing means we are getting the files from one of the website on free CSS files. So for that only I mentioned you to enable port 80 and 443 while creating the instance. If we didn't enable it there, if you try to get these files, it will throw error. So now we got that file. If you see, we have that zip file here. We can unzip the file. Okay, unzip is not present in this, so we can install unzip. So now if you try, it will unzip. You can see the folder here. So next what we have to do means we need to move this file to HTML. So cd So we need to move the files from gift2s HTML to this location. In this location only we can able to execute these files. For every application we have this kind of separate folders. Like Python we have separate, Java application we have separate. If you work on any Docker related stuffs, you know this concept very well. So after moving, you need to enable HTTPD. So next you need to start the HTTPD. So now if you go to our public IP address, I guess application will work. Yes, our application is working. So we have deployed our application. If you have any doubt in this section, please post as a comment. Thank you.